Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use animated subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. So if you've done this before, the process is mostly the same. They've just added a couple of extra features. But we'll start from the very beginning for anyone who hasn't done it before. So to begin, you'll need to make sure you have something on your timeline as usual. Then just go up to timeline, and here you'll see a new AI tools option. And just select create subtitles from audio. Then customize this however you want. Default works fine most of the time. Just click create to start the process. Then you just need to wait for the AI to go through the entire analyzation. It can take a couple of minutes depending on the length of your actual video. Once that's done, you'll have your subtitle track placed on your project. And now this is the part where we can animate it. So there's a couple of ways to do this. Go to the effects option at the top, then scroll all the way down until you get to the new subtitle section. So it's a fair way down the list. Here it is right here. These are all the options you can use for animated subtitles. However, before I actually get to the animated subtitles feature, you can actually just drop anything you want on this track here and it'll change to exactly whatever it is. So I'm just dropping in random motion graphics and it will change your subtitle track to that as well. Those aren't actually animated. So these ones are specifically designed for subtitles. So I'll just drop one on the track and show you how it works. So we'll just drop Lollipop on, then play back. You need to grab the name of the font that you want to actually keep. So I'm going to just do a quick. That's what that one looks like. This one here is probably the one most people will be using, the word highlight. So I'll just drop that on and show you what it looks like. Here with popping. So it'll just go through the track like that, but you can also customize it. So to do that, just click on any of the subtitle tracks from the actual project and go over to track. And here, expand word highlight. And then you can adjust the track however you want. So we're going to change background to white, keep the highlighted textures red, but you can also increase. And then you can adjust the position here as well. Increase the size, do whatever you like. And just with the other original format, this is still exactly the same. If you want to change just a specific one, so we're going to try this one just here, make sure you tick this little box and then make whatever change you want to, and that will only affect that specific section of the subtitle track. There's one more thing I want to cover quickly. More than likely you already know this, but when you go over to the delivery tab to export your final project, you need to make sure that you're going to be exporting it with your subtitles as well. So scroll to the bottom on the left, go to subtitle settings, and then export your subtitles. And you can either choose a separate track or a separate file, which probably most people aren't going to use. But if you do want it in your actual video by default, you can just burn it into the video and that will make sure it's displayed on the screen at all times. Anyway, that's it for this one. If you have any questions, just drop them below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Cheers, everyone.